Did you acquire insurance when you started driving that vehicle, yes or no? No. It's a very serious thing. And I know you know how serious it is because we'll come on to it. It's a criminal offence. Now, that's October. He's taking this car to and fro. In November, there is what I'm going to call an ultimatum discussion. It's getting a bit annoying now. So you say to Damien what about the car in November?
Just that it's got to the stage now where we've agreed to hand the vehicle over to my partner's, my mother-in-law, and this will be the last time we'll lend you the car. It's becoming a bit of a burden, keep obviously having to make arrangements to pick and collect the car up.
Stop borrowing it or buy it.
Well, this was the arrangement.
Sure, you can have it.
Yeah.
I'll sell it to you.
That's correct.
Stop borrowing it, I've got to give it away now.
Yeah.
Enough is enough, correct? But in November, before you hand it over, November the 3rd, you lend it to him for one last time, am I right?
Yeah, I think that was a Thursday night where he needed to go and see his kids, so I didn't have a problem with that at all.
Of course, and that's an arrangement situation. One of your overheads, you look after your children, you've got various obligations to them. They don't live with you now, but you go and see them. You need a car to facilitate that sort of custody access, right?
Yep.
Very important. 3rd of November. It's due back when? Do you remember?
The Sunday of the 6th, we had a game and he was going to return the car at the game.
Makes sense. Last time, he'll drive it back on the Sunday. You never thought anything was wrong, correct?
That's correct.
So, Thursday, he takes it, drive it along. Along comes Sunday's football. Did he show up to Sunday's football?
There was a phone call. As on a Sunday morning, I ring all the lads, just make sure that everyone's going to be turning up on time. It was discussed that Damien was heavily intoxicated and unfit to drive the car to the game, whereby we made different arrangements to get him picked up and brought to the game, which made sense if he was over the limit not to drive the car to the game.
He said to you he was a bit drunk from the night before, very sensibly, because a cautious person doesn't buy car insurance but doesn't want to be caught over the limit. Sensible. Were you really drunk?
Yeah.
Had you really been drinking the night before?
Yes.
Well, that was the Sunday. No car. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 6. Day 8. 10 days go by. Correct?
This is correct.
And during that 10 days, did you inquire where the car was?
Yeah, I think he had a bit of time off work. There was a breakdown in the communication. I was making various inquiries because it was creating... me and my partner, we never argue. We very rarely argue. And I was coming home from work and I wasn't looking forward to coming home because as soon as I walked through the door, it was, you know, give me his number. You know, my partner felt that I wasn't addressing the situation.
Oh, I love your
myself.
partner. She sounds like a thoroughly sensible woman. What a shame I can't speak to her.
I was on the settee. The tea wasn't getting made. There was a... yeah. It was becoming untangible at home, so I was...
Becoming intangible?
Yeah, that's the one.
What do you mean intangible?
You'd have to pass me a thesaurus.
Well, that means it was becoming... Well, sort of works. Intangible means you can't touch it.
Yeah, it was becoming... Obviously, the relationship was suffering as a consequence to the car not being returned.
She was furious. She's saying, oh, this is a sensible woman. It's a very, very sensible woman you've married because she smelt a fart. Right?
This is correct, yes.
After the car hadn't been returned, she said, where's the car? All right, I'll be you, you be her.
Have you spoke to him? Where's the car? You know, it's been going on now 10 days. It's supposed to be a friend. If it's any kind of friend, he'll return the car. I promised it my mum. She can't keep walking to work and from work in this January weather, raining and windy and stuff like that.
What a splendid woman you are. And I'm so sorry. And please don't let this interfere with our relationship and prevent me from touching your intangibles. Is that what you said?
I couldn't have carried out the role better myself.
Point is, she smelt that there was something wrong. If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.